it is, you better act like it is your boy Business. This is Gang Banging Media, man. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. You already know what to do. This is lit right now. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so I can keep bringing you fire content like this right here, man. Then you see what I'm doing, man. Then you see what I like, what I'm feeling, what I think is jiggy. You know what I mean? So, I purchased the two-tone large Santos De Cartier fire. You know what I mean? 18 karat gold. And stainless, super dope. You know what I mean? Automatic manual watch. You know, you gotta wind it, and then from there, you know, it does its thing based on your movement, stuff like that. I like the watch a whole lot. The only issue I had with the watch was that polished gold is so beautiful, man. I mean, that's what make the watch. To be honest with you, that polished bezel, it looks gorgeous, but no one said how crazy, like, it scratched unbelievably. Like, you don't have to do anything. I had a microfiber rag, all that type of good stuff, and it was like every time I look at it, bro, it was like a scratch here, scratch there, scratch everywhere. Like, it's crazy. I didn't do anything with the watch, by the way. Like, I took it out the plastic, and just taking it out the plastic, it seemed like it just constantly was like, and I might be a little anal, you know what I mean? Like, every little thing I seen, it was just driving me nuts. So I'm like, damn, how can I get around this, you know? The size of it looked fire. You know, like I said before, I went with the large just because the medium cool, it can go either way, unisex. But you know, man, look, I want a man watch straight like that. You know what I mean? I want my watch to look like it's got that presence. And it is a Cartier, so it's gonna look good and all that. But at the same time, I want to have that presence on the wrist where it's like, yeah, you know what time it is. You know what I mean? I didn't play. You know what I mean? Good entry point for a man. You feel me? So I decided to go a different route and go with the chronograph. So I got this good old unboxing for y'all to let y'all see my Santos two-tone chronograph, you know what I mean, which is considered to be an extra large, but it actually looks good on my wrist. And I'm not a big guy, by the way, with, you know, far as like wrist wise, my wrist is kind of small, you know what I mean, like, you know, my arms look pretty decent for the most part, but I got these dainty wrists, I ain't gonna hold you, so I can get away with wearing a medium, large, or extra large. They kind of all look pretty good. It's like different looks, you know what I mean. The medium Santos De Cartier is sexy, you know what I mean. It has a good look, real classy. The large look just like the medium, just a little bit bigger. And then the extra large is just, you know what I mean, a little more presence, a little more in your face, just a smidget. But the big difference is that brushed bezel. The bezel is brushed, so it already has like a texture on the gold, whereas like the scratches won't look as crazy, you know what I mean. Like, one thing for sure, I get, you know, y'all might be into the character and all that type of stuff. I'm not. Like, I try to keep my stuff looking like it's fresh and brand new as long as I can. That's just me. I like my stuff crispy. You know, without further ado though, I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all to watch and let y'all see what I did, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it looked like on my wrist, and y'all tell me, man, did I make the right decision, or was I tweaking? I should have kept the regular large, but I think I did the right thing, man. Like, I really do. Another thing too is the chronograph got a little bit more going on. I like the face. I like everything inside it, you know what I mean, as far as like the way it looks and it operates. You know, the looks by itself is just beautiful. It's just a fire watch, super sexy, super manly. You know what I mean? It has all that, you know what I mean? Sexy, classy, and a hint of sporty, cause the bands swap out. You know what I mean? So that's a big deal for me. So I'm finna crack this bad boy open and let y'all see it, man. So this is the Santos De Cartier Chronograph, two-tone, 18 karat gold, real 18 karat gold, by the way. Great materials right here, precious metals. You feel me? So here we go right here, man. Make sure you like the video. Let's get straight into it. Gang, gang. All right, here we go, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it smoking. Shout out to them folks out in Alpharetta. You know what I mean? Holla at my boy D at Mayors. You the one put this situation together for me, man. Took care of me like a champ. They just so happened to didn't have this one in stock, so they was able to order for me and get it to me the next day, like just like that. So I want to say special thanks to them out in Alpharetta. Go to Avalon if you want to check out the beautiful store that they have, and they can hook you up. But yeah, man, Mayors all day long. Get you together. Let's get this thing open though. Nice little pretty bow. Look at the presentation though. You know what I mean? They gonna get you together. We gonna go and take that off. And let's see here. Woo, jeez. You know, I be excited every time I do this. I be geeked up. I ain't gonna hold you. Super geeked up. Yes, sir. So here's the box. Let's see here. Alright. Ain't nothing else in there? Okay. That looks like it's empty. Throw that to the side. Cartier. Look at that boy, you know what I mean? I'm so geeked up. Alright, y'all, here we go. Y'all ready? Let me make sure I got y'all on point. Alright, here we go. Box in a box, okay. You know what I mean? You should be used to that. That's how the last one was. Box in a box. Alright, one more box. Let's try this one more time. Oh, the button. That's right. Alright, there she go. Yes, sir. There she goes. Man. Okay. See, I know the light a little bright. I'm trying to get y'all some close-ups and some good little B-roll of it so y'all can see. But man, look at this beautiful thing, man. This watch so gorgeous. This is ridiculous how pretty this watch is, man. It is so nice. Sheesh. So it's got the brushed. You know, this area here is brushed, but then like the sides of it is polished, which is pretty good look. Pretty good look. Yeah, that thing look good. That look good. So here go the watch, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna give y'all some good shots of it. Let y'all see that bad boy. Get it on the wrist, you know. Look like my warranty card. Make sure I get that bad boy registered. Date of purchase, April 25th. You know what I'm saying? Good old Cartier reference card. So I'm gonna get that together real quick. That 8-year warranty too. So they got an extended warranty going on right now, which is pretty nice. You know, so y'all can check that out. Then they give you the strap and the band. I wish though, okay, so that's something I noticed. One thing I wish, here go the extra band right here. Let's get this watch off out of here. I wish they would have made it to where this was gold though. I wonder, can I order this right here in the gold? Cause that'd be nice to have on a band where this is gold, you know what I mean? Or brushed gold or something like that to match. So they give you this extra band right here to put on the watch. Let's see, let's get this thing opened up. Man, that thing's so fire. Sheesh. That mug's so bad. I gotta take some links out, y'all. It's gonna be too big out the gate, I already know. Not too bad, but you know what I mean? You know what I mean, though. Jeez. See no errors, nothing like that. Everything looks like it's on the money. Yeah, everything look good. But look at that sauce right there. Oh my God, that thing's so fire. is so fire. Like, jeez. We gonna get this thing wound up, man. Get my date together. You know what I mean? I'm so geeked up about this thing, though. But that's the look of it, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take some links out. I want to see what it look like with this band also. And put that thing together. So we gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. This is the rubber band they give you. Let's take this off real quick. You know, let's take that piece of sexiness right there. Put that right there for right now. You know what I mean? So you gonna pay $14,000 and some odd dollars. It's gonna be another like $1050. Yeah, it's like $1,050 in taxes. So altogether, the watch ended up being like $15,000 and some dollars. Like, so you know, get ready for that. It's a nice little ticket, but man, it's a badass watch, man. Like, to be honest with you, they really can get way more. To me, I think they can get way more. I'm not gonna hold you. Just keeping it all the way funky with you. Like, they really could be whacking people for these watches because they beautiful. They beautiful. You know what I mean? You got that Swiss made situation going on there, so you know you got a quality big dog watch out the gate. I mean, man, you can't lose. So here go the rubber. You know, it's got like this rubber texture with the stainless screws in it. You know what I'm saying? So that looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like it though, man. I like it a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I really feel like this was the better way to go for the watch, man. Like, I really do believe this was the best way to go. Whole lot of sauce right here. But yeah, man, to be continued. I'll get at y'all in 1 second. So it's just a look at it on the wrist. You know what I'm saying? I think it looked good, man. It looked pretty fire. Let's take it out of that light real quick. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think, man? I think it looked good. You know, I like mine just a little, like with a little space. You know what I'm saying? Not where it's crazy type, but with just a little movement. Yeah, so. But everything else for the most part is on point. You know what I'm saying? And looking good. And I like it, man, overall. You know what I'm saying? That's a little more sauce. That brush feel is going to be a lot better. It's got a light little polish on it. Look like that they put on from the place. That looks really nice, baby. Yeah, but yeah, man. So let me switch cameras real quick and holler at y'all about it. But I think it looked pretty good. What does it? All right, y'all. So, you know, that's what it is. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it, man. I think that joint fly. You know what I mean? Real clean. You know what I'm saying? I feel more comfortable having the brush vibe going. You know what I mean? Keep me from getting all type of crazy scratches and looking at the watch and panicking. You know what I mean? Because that's really what the whole issue was, is, you know, looking at this beautiful gold and seeing just scratches just everywhere. And with that hyper polish they do, which is absolutely gorgeous, by the way, it makes the watch, I'm not going to hold you, but it's just too much. You know, you see it flawless, the watch look flawless, and then you just see some deep, horrible scratch on the watch, and they just keep coming and coming and coming. I couldn't take it. You know what I mean? Like, I just couldn't. And yeah, this is way more money. Like, this is a couple more bands, about 6,000 more, depending on which route you decide to go. I think the basic two-tone mid-size Santos De Cartier is like 9,000, and then the large is 11,000, and then the chronograph is $14,100. You know, with taxes, you spending like 15,000 and some odd dollars. So, you know, it is what it is. This also got a lot more presence. You know, I feel this definitely got a ton more presence, a lot more swag, a lot more manly. You know what I mean? Like it don't feel like a sensitive watch, but it still look classy and you know what I mean? Got that feel to it. I like the black rubber band that it comes with. Unfortunately, you know, I want to let y'all see that joint, but I actually have to send mine back because the spring on it is not in good condition. It actually is broken. So I have to give that back to him. And seeming that this watch right now is kind of hard to get. It's actually unavailable on Cartier's website. It was like 2 in America or something like that. So I ended up getting the one that was left, and I think it's like one more. So, you know, I damn near just, you know, I was gonna send it all back at first, but it's like nah, like everything looked good for the most part. I'm just gonna ask for my bracelet to be replaced, or my not my bracelet. This is fine, but these boys right here. Let me let y'all see what I'm talking about. This bad boy right here is you know not gonna work. So the spring on it is broken. Like it literally just goes down. So you know when you slide these in, they actually snap into place and stay, and you have to press the button for them to spring back in and pull them down. The problem is you can't press the button to spring it down and just stay down, so it's just gonna slide out. So I gotta give this back to him. But it looks so good with that black too, man, and give you more of a classy, sporty type vibe. You know what I mean? You might throw your all black on, be looking a certain type of way. You know what I mean? Some fresh straight legs or something like that. Throw this on, have a whole nother feel. You know, you want a little more classy vibe. You throw the bracelet on, but this bracelet looks so good. You know, it's gonna be rare I take it off though. I'm just gonna tell you the truth. I don't know if I want to take it off like that. One thing I think I do want though, it'd have been nice to get this in brushed. You know what I mean? I would have liked to get this in brushed gold, like 18 karat gold. I know that probably would have ramped up the price, but I really feel like this would have been fire in 18 karat gold on your straps. Like that'll look clean. That brush with that, oof, that'll look so clean. A little more class to it also. You know what I mean? I'm gonna see can I make that happen, to be honest with you. I'm gonna look something up and see is that possible. Cause I think that'll look super good. You know. But I don't know. Besides that though, man, everything looked good, everything looked fly. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Should I have went with kept the medium, stay medium, you know what I mean, stay large, or go big dog, man. Chronograph. Go with the large joint, you know what I mean? The face of it fire, you know what I mean? 18 karat gold, precious metals, you know what I mean? Brushed, you know, so you don't got to worry about all the crazy scratches. They're not going to be as just in your face like that. You know, it's going to blend in a lot better. I really feel like this was the right move. But y'all comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you decide to go with. You know what I'm saying? That two-tone vibe for me, though, was just gunfire. You know what I mean? Now you can, you know what I'm saying, be talking to him, yeah, under that act. You know what I'm saying? So I like that bad boy. Not a diamond in sight. You know what I mean? This is like Flash without the flash. Sauce without trying to say I got sauce. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like it was the right move. You know what I mean? Definitely got some nice presence to it. Definitely got the wow factor. The what is that? Hey, let me check that out. What's that? You know what I mean? That's what you want out of watch. You know, that thing sneak past. You know, you might have a nice blazer on or something like that. That thing sneak past. And it's like, oh, ooh, that's kind of. This is probably the most beautiful watch I've seen in a long time. I'm not gonna hold you. They really can charge a lot more. So they've been really nice with this watch. If this watch end up being unavailable and not being able to get purchased, I think the price is gonna get ramped up something tough. You know, y'all tell me though, man. I could be tweaking, you know, but we'll see. We'll see what happens, man. We gonna rock out like that, man. You don't know what it is, you better act like it. It's your boy Business. This gang banging media, 2Ks, gang gang.